huge flock of geese out here. All Canadian geese. Thousands of them, actually. There's 2 white ones in there. And then there's 7 trumpeter swans. Trumpeter swans. There they are. And those are, well, it's the first time I've seen them here at the farm this year. Just see them over at the lake place. Anyway, I'm gonna be circling around them pretty soon, and they're gonna probably fly away. Thanks for watching. There's the geese. Getting a little bit closer. They're starting to get a little anxious and flying up. Oh, sorry. Anyway, we had the trumpeter swans, 6 or so. They just flew off. And I'm herding up this flock, or flocking up this herd. Anyway, just kidding. Is it a flock of sheep or is it a herd of sheep? I think it's a herd of sheep. That's where the word shepherd comes from. But it seems like when back in the day we used to call them a flock of sheep. Anyway, that's it for now.